happy move-in day vlog round 3. It is currently 5:51 in the morning. Phone just went to sleep. Wish I could do that. We are packing up all my makeup really quick. Yeah, last night we got a really late start to packing. If you guys have been following my videos, I've been packing slowly for this whole summer, it feels like, honestly. I've been planning this out, but everything just kind of came down to last night and we had a lot to do. Today I am moving into my very first apartment at the University of Oregon, which is honestly absolutely crazy to say. I don't know, it's funny. I told my mom last night, this feels so normal, like packing up and moving. I also just want to explain the reason why I get up so early is I literally, this is what works for me, is getting up early and beating the crowds, because this time we're taking my car, my dad's truck, and the cargo trailer because our apartment's unfurnished. So we had to take like a ton of stuff this time. We need to find a parking spot in Eugene, Oregon, which if you're from Eugene, you understand the parking situation there. We're trying to beat the crowds. It's also like finals day, so my roommate Taylor, she's taking her Bio 214 final. Taylor, I'm wishing you luck. Fingers crossed things are gonna go well. I know they will. You don't even need luck.
Driving update. We are currently at Ankeny Hill, which is the official, I'm pretty sure, official halfway point. The drive has been fine so far, except for the fact that it's really foggy. Like, can you see this? I've honestly driven through worse, so we're doing well. I lost my father. We were gonna caravan, and then like literally one red light separated us. Okay guys, we just got here and I'm so excited. I'm kind of shaking. I'm gonna go into the building and make sure and get my keys and everything like that, and then I'll show you guys in my apartment. Oh, I already have a package. Okay, I'm gonna go in now. Oh my gosh. This is our apartment. What? Whoa, this is so weird. I'm shaking. So let me show you guys around. Welcome to our place. This is gonna be our living room, dining room thing. I actually didn't know that this wall is blue. Kind of interesting, but good thing I made our accent color in this room blue. This is gonna be our kitchen. Looks like this. It's got all the good things. We have a balcony right there, and then this is gonna be my room. I thought it was way bigger. This is my sink, and we've got a pantry right here. Laundry room's right there. This is gonna be Taylor's room. This is our bathroom. That is the full tour. I'm like really worried now. My room was way different because like I don't even know if all my stuff's gonna fit in here the way I was gonna arrange it. So now I'm stressed. So after my mini freak out, Taylor and I decided to switch rooms, and I'm just really grateful that I have a roommate that's really nice and flexible. I'm gonna take the room without the sink, and Taylor's gonna get the room with the sink. Sometimes there's just unexpected things that happen on move-in day. Note to future people looking for apartments, really important to try to tour your exact unit. This is my car right now. I just wanted to show you guys how I packed it. I put all my clothes back there and then just random stuff's there. I'm gonna start taking stuff in while I wait for my dad. Update, I brought in some of my stuff from my car. My dad is now here with the trailer. We parked it. Also, I added this cute little mat. Now we know which room is ours. Whoa, okay. I feel like this video doesn't even capture how far back it actually goes, but there's a lot of stuff in here. We're gonna start hauling it in. Okay, we're gonna attack this dresser thing next and at least get that in my room. And then that will let us get to the mattresses, the couch.
Work hard, no sleep, repeat it. All I do is work hard, no sleep, repeat it. All I do is work hard, no sleep, repeat it. Give a little love to a hit song machine.
unpacking process is going well. We got most of the kitchen stuff in, Taylor's mattress is in, some living room stuff. I got most of the bins for my room in, as well as my mattress and the dresser, which kind of broke at the bottom. So yeah, we're gonna fix that, or at least try to. We're just gonna keep unloading the cargo trailer, and then I'll update you guys when we're like literally unpacking all the stuff in here. All right, we literally don't have that much left. I'm so excited. Just some furniture pieces, the couch, and then we got the TV out, the last of the little boxes, and then we're done. Taylor's here! Okay, we're done bringing all of my stuff in. So this is what my room looks like so far. My dad's building the chairs for our dining room table. We got all the stuff in. I might have my friend Miranda come over and help me because she's the best and she can really help me out. But I'm gonna do my dresser first, then I can get that suitcase out of here.
Sorry, I'm not sorry. What you're sorry for? I need a little love. I just need a little love. You tell me that you're sorry. I'm not sorry. What you're sorry for?
All right, Omar, it's you and me, man. We're gonna build you.
Love, cause all I do is work hard, no sleep, repeat. All I do is work hard, no sleep, repeat. All I do is work hard, no sleep, repeat. Give a little love to a hit song.
It's Miranda! She's here to save me and help me. Are you excited to do my entire kitchen?
I'm really bored. This is actually
wow,
really
this is really exciting. Here we have Taylor and Termandre setting up our beautiful TV stand. We have so many boxes. This is our recycling pile. Miranda's still on kitchen duty. She probably hates me right now. She's putting all this. This is gonna be your hourly update. It is 1 p.m. We're really hungry, so we're probably gonna stop and get food soon. Miranda did such an awesome job and like helped me put all my stuff in the kitchen, so the kitchen's almost done. I'm gonna start building this little plant holder thing for our patio. Taylor's room is really coming along. I finished pretty much everything in the laundry room, so it's all organized. And here's my room. Okay, we're getting food. We are so hungry, we're dying. We're at, what's this place called, you know?
Excelsior Inn.
Yes, and we got 2 margarita pizzas and this chicken burger thingy-mabob. I'm really excited. I'm gonna eat because I can't even think. I'm so hungry. Taylor and I just took all of our boxes that were in a pile there and we just condensed them. Look at us go. We made a box sandwich.
Is it recording?
Yeah. We need the third one. It's missing the... I know, because we forgot a plant. That's the one thing I forgot. Every time you move,
Oh, it's so
forget
cute.
something, and that's what I forgot. Figuring out our Wi-Fi. It's most important here. Like, do we pull back, shove in, and then twist? Make sure these connections are finger tight. Okay, so we did not do it right. Oh, not screw. Then we did it right. Nice. They may flash for up to 20 minutes. 20 minutes?
So is this screwed in all
Is
the way?
this finger tight? Because it looks not finger. I mean, there is a finger length if that's what it means. See, this is what moms are for. Ta-da! All right, the rug is down. The little TV stand is built thanks to Taylor and her mom. They did a fantastic job. It's coming together. We're gonna do the couch next. We have all literally spent the past like hour and a half just building furniture. So that's what's been soaking up all of our time. Did you find the piece?
Yeah!
They found the piece of wood that they lost that was actually in the trash, so really glad we found it. After I've probably spent like honestly an hour hand screwing in each screw. My dad tells me that he made his own drill bit.
I just cut off one of the Allen wrenches they gave me.
Everything's gone. It's in the air, can't you feel that good times are coming on?
The other thing we forgot, the couch cushions. We only have one. All right, the couch has been built. We have a little party over right now. They're checking out the new spot. It's your gift. It's your, well, I should have addressed it to both of you. It's a puppy. It's definitely a puppy. Isn't it cute?
You already picked out the perfect.
And the flowers are like ones that my parents picked before I was born. So they're like over like 20 years old. I know, isn't that cute? Okay, this has by far been the craziest move-in I have ever had just because it's like move-in day on steroids. So this day didn't really end up as planned. My dad was trying to build my bed for me. I think that's like when I last talked to you guys. The past 2 hours, Taylor and I have gone grocery shopping. We got all of our food at Costco and Target, which was really nice. We came home and found out that 2 really important pieces that I need for my bed that like literally hold the mattress onto the bed are not included in the package of the box. Like they're not even on the materials list, but the instructions tell you that you need to put them on the bed. So I cannot sleep on the bed, and because it took 36 pages to build the bed that also the drawers don't fit in it and they're all like wobbly and wonk, and my father's like a construction worker, so he built it right. Anyway, my room is severely unfinished. Like it does not, nothing's on the wall, barely anything's unpacked, and it literally does not feel like home. The living room looks good for the most part, but there's absolutely nothing on our walls because we just like didn't have time to get to that today. So I'm trying to like remain calm, but I literally have no time to do this. I had this day reserved for this and a little bit of tomorrow, but tomorrow's the football game and now I can't go because I need to finish this. And if you don't go to an Oregon football game and you bought student tickets, you get punished, and I'm trying to return my tickets, but it's too late to return them. I am probably gonna end the vlog here. I don't want to be negative, but it is disappointing. Like obviously I feel like I'm so used to moving into rooms and having them look all perfect the way I want, and it's just disappointing that I don't really have what I would call like a room. Probably gonna be a part 2 to this vlog because I'm not done moving in. So stay tuned. The next video will be better than this. I want to thank you guys so much for watching till this part of the video. It means so much. I literally checked Instagram and I have over 50 direct messages from you guys, all relating to move-in day, which is really cool. So thank you guys so much for supporting me along this journey. I know it'll work out in the end. I know it's such a dumb problem to have, but I just want the room to look nice. Also, comment some like crazy move-in, move-out story that you have to make me feel better, because I can laugh at them while I'm laughing at myself.